Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. You guys, it's been more than a week since I filmed or posted anything on my YouTube channel. I truly miss you guys. I hope you miss me too, and I hope you miss my balloon art because I am so ready to jump in and create more and inspire you more and more. Today I am filming my first official fall inspired balloon garland. You guys, I will be focusing on fall colors and winter colors already. I hope you will enjoy my upcoming ideas and they will inspire you. I will be using Qualitix today from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. Go check them out. They have a huge selection of party supplies, balloons, types of balloons, balloons from different brands. You can always use my code Anastasia10 for 10% off at checkout. This is an affiliate code and it's totally up to you if you want to use it or not. This code is valid for your first purchase and if you are a new customer to Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. I will link and list everything in the description under the video. Go ahead and check it out, and without any further ado, let's go. This is my color choice of the day. I have 5, 11, and 16-inch balloons in different colors. Light blue pearl, mocha brown, pearl ivory, and pearl forest green colors. I might take something out. We'll see. Whatever I will be using on top of these balloons, I'll let you know throughout the video. I am all ready to inflate all of my balloons. Like usual, I am using my electric balloon pump from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. The name of this pump is Zoom. I will be working one color at a time. I am starting with mocha brown. I am taking my 11-inch balloons and inflating them into different sizes.
Oh, Mom, it's not plugged in.
Oh, plug it in. Thank you.
You're welcome.
As soon as I'm done blowing my balloons, I am pressing them against the floor to give my balloons more rounder shape and then tie them together into a pair like this. Keep on playing with sizing with 11-inch balloons and leave your 16-inch balloons inflated to 16-inch. I like to do with my 16-inch balloons to give them more rounder shape. I like to press them down while blowing my balloons with air. Here's how I'm doing this. And they look a lot rounder than just inflating them without applying pressure. It's a trick that I started using recently and I am loving how my 16-inch look after applying pressure while blowing. What is this?
What is this? It's a balloon garland from my mom so she can do it.
You're playing everything out for me? Okay. I am done blowing my mocha brown balloons and now I need to cluster them. It's a lot easier to work with one color at a time than mixing all the colors and then looking for the same color, you know what I mean? So I'm taking two different sizes pair of balloons and I am unwinding them together, taking another pair of balloons and adding that third pair into already existing cluster to create a cluster like this. Keep on pairing. Let's go. For this setup, I think I want to use these two columns over here. I bought two shorter columns stacked one on top of the other to create one big one. So I had 4 shorter ones to make 2 large columns like these. I will link them in the description under the video. I want to start this whole construction from the top of my stands. So I will be using my 260s balloons. I am tying them together. I'm starting with 2 for now just to have better control. I am starting with my first cluster. I am tying my 260 balloon rope to my first cluster, putting this cluster right here. I like what I see, taking my rope and wrapping around the metal and around another balloon just to secure everything in place. Taking my second cluster, finding the spot where I wanted this cluster to be, taking that rope right here, stretching and wrapping around new cluster, wrapping around older placed balloons and around newer placed balloons, around some metal, and so far so good. I kind of stepped back and I looked at this cluster that I have over here so far, and I like what I see. So I think I will be switching gears, and I think I want to place clusters all over my frame, not connecting them together. Hopefully it's gonna work out. I see where I'm going, and I feel like I want to add a few more clusters over here to build it up a little bit, but the concept is going to be exactly what I just explained, just clusters all over my frame. Part on my frame, I am doing exactly what I did up top. I am taking 260s, tying my clusters to my frame, and as soon as I have a good base that is tied to my frame, I am starting to use rubber bands. Forgot for a little bit what this is. Rubber bands to fill in spaces. This is what I did for two of my clusters up top. I will scooch you closer once I'll start filling in spaces with rubber bands, and I'll show you in up close. Fill a space over here with my 5-inch cluster. I am taking one of my rubber bands. I am stretching that rubber band, looping over one of the balloons, and now you can loop your band over any other balloons. I am looping over this brown one, and here you have it. So with my bigger clusters, you guys, I love to use more than one rubber band because sometimes your bigger cluster gets looser and it can like flop from side to side. I like to add rubber bands from both sides. Like right here, I would probably add one more band just to secure everything nicely and to be sure that nothing's going to, you know, flop around. Here we go. Looks great, and everything holds it very nice as well. I'm done with my first column. Looks very good. I have a good base before I'm gonna start filling in spaces. It looks good. Now let's dress this column up with the same color balloons as the first one. Final touch, I am using glue dashes from L'Oreal Paper and Balloon Company and starting to fill in spaces with my single balloons with my green and blue here and there so it would look nice. You guys, use more than one glue dots per balloon because you want your balloons to stay on your garland, on your installation for longer than just, I don't know, an hour or two. So use quite a few glue dots. is what I have for you guys today. This is my final setup. I like all the settled colors that I have here. They look and work very nice together. You can absolutely add any types of greenery or flowers or any other color balloons like I show here with these flowers. I try to insert a different color flowers, and in my opinion, orange color looks the best. Great quality balloons. I lost only one mocha brown balloon out of all the balloons, and I didn't count the amount of balloons that I used in today's setup. Does it really help when I list the amount? Because every person is different, every person works differently and uses different amount of balloons. I will link and list everything in the description under the video, and some pictures will be at the end of this video as well. And this is what I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comments section below, and I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you're new here, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button for more videos, and I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon. Bye.